I ain't gonna lie now. I'm gonna have to start cursing these damn postal workers out. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Unbelievable. Might as well just cut it from there. You make me feel. Boom, 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 boom. Ooh, baby, baby.
What it do, people? It's Bam Lit the Ghetto Investor. Like, comment, and subscribe. We doing another unboxing of some silver, some real plata. JM Bullion. If you grab your first 10 ounces, they give it to you. Discount. Discount. Spot price. Spot price. Ghetto. Let's get into this. Open this box up. I ain't gonna lie now. I'm gonna have to start cursing these damn postal workers out. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Unbelievable. Might as well just cut it from there.
Shout out to all the silver stackers out there. Messing up my box. Damn. Like somebody was trying to peek in there or something. I know it was just boxes on top of boxes. I be knowing how that go. Yes, sir. Like I said, JM Bullion. Hey, you order your first 10 ounces from there. You set up an account.
This is what you get. This is what you get. This is what you get. Is this what you want? Is this what you really want? Yo, open this, man. Damn. Okay. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Come on out of there now. Come on out of there now. Ooh, la, 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 la. Ooh, la, 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 la. I can't open the dang gone tube. I got real plata. You make me feel.
Boom, 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 boom. Ooh, baby, baby.
Ooh, baby, baby. Ooh. The buffalo, baby. The buffalo. And it comes with this nice, beautiful bag, people. Beautiful JM Bullion bag. Get it from here. Get it from here. Get it from here. Ooh. Liberty Buffalo. Like, comment, and subscribe, people. This is another 10 ounces. We adding this 10 ounces right here to the bar. See that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. These are called silver buffalo rounds. These are rounds, not coins. 999. 999 fine silver. This is 1 ounce, 2 ounce, 3 ounce, 4 ounce, 5 ounce, 6 ounce, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't you like the sound of that?